How to apply for Amazon Business Credit Card. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Applying for an Amazon Business Credit Card can provide your organization with tailored benefits and rewards for purchases made through Amazon. Here is a step-by-step guide to assist you in the application process. You will first have to determine your eligibility. Ensure you have the authority to make financial decisions on behalf of your business. Only individuals aged 18 or over are eligible to apply. Next, choose the appropriate card. Amazon Business Express Card offers 3% back or 60-day payment terms on U.S. purchases at Amazon Business. Or you can use Amazon Business Prime American Express Card. It provides 5% back or 90-day payment terms on the same categories for eligible Prime members. Next, gather necessary information, such as business details, which includes your legal business name, address, contact information, and tax ID verification number. Your personal information, which includes your full name, social security number, and contact details. Also, initiate the application now. So, visit business.amazon.com and get started with the verification process. Complete the application form by filling in the required business and personal information accurately and review the terms and conditions before submitting. Now, submit the application. After ensuring all information is correct, submit your application for review and wait for the decision. Approval times may vary. If approved, you will receive your card and you can begin using it for business purpose. So, this is how you can apply for Amazon Business Credit Card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.